Let's make the grog recipe from 12 Bottle Bar. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the grog recipe from the 12 Bottle Bar by David Solmonson and Lesley Jacob Solmonson. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. I already have a video where I talk about the history of grog and how it comes from the British Navy and not necessarily from pirates, so I'm not going to repeat all that from here. If you're interested in checking that out, the link to that video will be down below. In my mind, there are two types of grog: historical grog and tiki grog. Historical grog is something that British sailors may have drank on the ships during their days at sea. Tiki grog is what tiki bartenders did to Navy grog, or historical grog, in order to make it more interesting. Historical grog is not the most flavorful stuff, but I find it very refreshing on a hot day. This version from the 12 Bottle Bar is more a historical grog, so it just has the four basic ingredients: sugar, lime, rum, and water. A note on the rum. The 12 Bottle Bar lists this as one of their amber rum cocktails. Amber rum, in their definition, is anything that's not white, not spiced, and not flavored. However, they also indicate that if you want, you can make the same recipe using a white rum. So I say, find a rum that you like, that you think tastes great in this, or tastes acceptable in this, and enjoy. We are going to make this drink in the glass. It's either going to be a Collins glass or a rocks glass, or if you want more, use a pint. I'd say use any glass that you really like. I'm going to start with a Collins glass, and I'm going to finish with a Collins glass. And I'm going to start by putting 2 teaspoons of sugar into my Collins glass. And the recipe does specify light brown sugar or raw cane sugar. I'm using raw cane. 2 teaspoons is something in metrics. I'll let you know what it is in the comments, or not the comments, well, the comments and the subtitles down below. Next, we're going to put in half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Next, 4 ounces of water. And if I was just drinking this on my own, enjoying it on my deck, I would not measure, but for the sake of the video, I am going to measure out 4 ounces. 4 ounces is 120 milliliters. Now, I'm going to stir this until the sugar dissolves. Be right back with you. Okay, I think that's dissolved enough. I'm now going to add some ice. I'm going to use my hands because I'll probably be drinking this later. Now, 2 ounces of your amber rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Give it another stir. I don't know why there are 2 stirs. Add a straw. And add a garnish. The garnish is a lime wheel. And there you have it, the 12 Bottle Bar grog. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day: do you like historical grog? Have you had it? Let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what proportions you use. I'd love to know. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts available. If you want a t-shirt, you can have one. Just contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get one. And while you're at the social media links, you might as well follow, subscribe, do whatever you do on those things. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe for doing something non-Kraken related rum, and that's it. See you next time. Cheers.